Hey you guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to add signatures in Outlook. But before we start, if you are new to the channel, please subscribe to the channel and also hit that like button. So let's get started. Firstly, I will open Outlook, and if you see there is no option to add signature anywhere here. So to get that option, first you have to click on this new email. And now you have the option called signatures. You have to click on this signature and click on this option called signatures. So this will allow you to create your own new signature. There is already a signature which I just created for the demo purpose. But what I would do is I would create a new one. I will click this new here and I will type in new signature and I hit OK. Now you have your signature ready, but the content is not ready yet. So you have to click on the new signature, whatever you have created, and then maybe type the content of that signature. Typically, thanks and regards, ABC. You can add your email address, abc@xyz.com, and also you can add your phone number if you want. And also you can add images here as well. You just copy the image, whatever you want to paste here, and just right click and paste. That would do. And then hit OK here. So now you have created your signature. Whenever you want uh, to include the signature in your email, all you have to do is click on the signature that you want to include. That's it. You click here and all the information is available. This is pretty simple, right? That's it for the video. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.